make a life-changing money in crypto while sleeping. In this video, I'll be teaching you strategies to make passive income in crypto. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. And if you are not new to this channel, kindly like and comment. Let's get at it. Okay, making $1 million through crypto passive opportunities. Okay, as a preamble, there are many passive opportunities in crypto, which simply means there are many ways to make money in crypto without being active. Okay, so we'll be exploring most of those opportunities today. Yeah, but in this video, but the first thing you need to know is what is crypto passive income. I think we should start from there. Then we'll now look at the strategies. Then I'll guide you on how you can start making this money, a step-by-step guide on how you can start making this money on those platforms. Okay, what is crypto passive income? One, it is an income earned while sleeping. Okay, like it is literal, that is the literal meaning. Any income you earn while you are sleeping. Okay, any income you earn, that means while you are not active. Okay, while you're not active, while you're not always there working, always there putting human effort, always there thinking. So income and while you are not active, always actively involved, although there is a work that needs to be done. Say that your money is working for you or you have done the work in the past. So always put that at the back of your mind that there's an initial work that needs to be put in, or there's an initial commitment that needs to go in before you can you reap reward while sleeping. So the income you earn in crypto by not actively doing anything itself is what we call crypto passive income. All right, so I will be sharing 3 passive income opportunities and the platform to make those happen. All right, so I believe you are excited. Okay, so let's see the first. Okay, so the first one, okay, on coming on CoinMarketCap, they are on this CoinMarketCap. Most of these projects have crypto passive income opportunity. Almost most of them, okay, let's say about 50% of them have many opportunities. Aside from buying the coin, there are other opportunities. Okay, going to exchanges, we have a lot of them. Okay, so these are what I'll be showing you today, and it will blow your mind the possibility that exists. Okay, so the first is making passive income through affiliate programs. Okay, affiliate program is a marketing program where you introduce new people to a product. Okay, and you make money when they use your link. Simply put, you use a product and you refer your friends and family to also use the product for a reward. Okay, any successful referral that you make, or you earn a percentage from whatever transaction that they perform with that platform. Okay, so now how it works is that um you use a product, you create you sign up to on a platform, use the product, then you get what is called a referral link. This link you share it. Now you share it with the people you have influence on, okay, or the people that you know, or the people that trust you. You share it with them and they use it, then you get rewarded for bringing new people to the platform. Okay, yeah, but there are things that you must put at the back of your mind that you must know. Make sure the product is a good product and it will benefit the people that you are introducing to the product. And secondly, make sure that you have used it yourself. Okay, you have used it yourself before introducing people to it. So this is based on influence and trust. So if you want to do affiliate marketing, you have to build trust, and you have also have influence over something, and I believe everybody has a certain level of influence. Now, what are some of the affiliate programs that you can start doing now? It could be exchanges, like for example, on Binance, I have affiliate link. Okay, I have affiliate link. So if you want to create a Binance account, kindly check the description of this video. You see a link. That is my link. You need to create an account, and I'll get rewarded for doing that. Then you also get a link that you can also use to bring other persons to sign up on Binance. Is it useful? Yes, because through Binance you can make money and you can convert your fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat. So I don't recommend products that are not good. Okay, so we also have the app product. There are some decentralized applications on different platforms, Ethereum chain, Solana chain, BSC chain that have affiliate links to then airdrops. Airdrops is huge. Okay, making our passive income through airdrop is huge. It has huge potential. All right. So how do we do this? Now let's now look at to steps to affiliate passive income opportunity. Okay, steps to affiliate passive income opportunity. So the first thing that we need to do is to sign up on the platform and use the product. Search for the referral link, share with your community, then check to see reward. Now, let me explain here. It is good to have a community, or it is good to have people that trust you, okay, for what you do. So that means you need to build credibility. You need to build track record of doing your work. Okay, then with time, these people can now or will be able to listen to you when you recommend anything to them that will be of benefit to them. Okay, so let's now use a platform called Marginfi. Marginfi is a platform. Okay, it's a platform on the on Solana ecosystem. So I on this platform you can lend, you can stake, you can swap, you can bridge. Okay, so they are doing airdrop, and I decided to also to use their product. So I lend, I stake. So now this is my okay. So this is my point. Now after doing this on this platform, I got a link. Okay, look at a link, the final point. Okay, this is my link. Okay, so this is my link. So this link, I will paste this link on the no this YouTube description, this video description, and use it to also sign up. Okay, sign up and use their product. Now you get rewarded. Now this point means you'll be rewarded for doing the airdrop. Okay, you'll be giving airdrop once this Marginfi, the platform launch. You'll be giving airdrop, and that airdrop can be thousands of dollars. So this is the referral link. Okay, so let me paste the referral link so you see how it look like. So this is how it look like. So whenever anybody click on my referral link and also use this platform to do airdrop, to stake, lend, swap, bridge, I get rewarded for the activity. Okay, so this is simply how affiliate program work in crypto. So this is applicable to most of the product that launch. Okay, so just find out, do your research, and you get a lot. So, but this is simply how it happens. Okay, so having understood that, so the next very important strategy, passive income through liquidity providing. So another strategy is called liquidity providing. In a decentralized exchange, trade only exists between the buyer and the seller, so there is no intermediary to provide liquidity. Now in decentralized exchange, there's no company or there are no individuals that stand between buyer and seller. Just as we have on exchange like Binance, we have a company, Binance, and the team, they stand between the buyer and seller. That's why they provide a place you can trade. So they monitor and regulate those the platform, the trading platform. Okay, but in a decentralized exchange, there's no intermediary that moderate the trade. Okay, now so this created an opportunity to provide liquidity. Providing liquidity simply means you are supplying the money that will be available on the platform, so that when a buyer come to buy, he sees something to buy, and when a seller come to sell, okay, he can sell. Okay, now so for providing this liquidity, you are giving a share of the trading fee. Okay, so a share of the trading fee that take place on that platform is given to you, is paid to you for providing liquidity. So that means you can have one Solana and say, okay, I want to use one Solana and 100 USDT to provide liquidity on this platform. So when there is a trade that happen, okay, with this trading pair, with Solana and USDC or USDT, you earn a percentage of the trading fee that accrue. Okay, so having understood that, let's look at a platform you can use to do that. So steps to earn passive income through liquidity providing. The first thing is research and ensure the platform is secure. Okay, I like the Solana ecosystem because the platform is secure and it's one of the most bullish chain for this bull run. So visit the app and go to liquidity providing. Okay, go to liquidity providing section, supply the pair you want to supply, visit to check your earning, which can be withdrawn anytime. So I'll be using Kamino. Kamino is a platform where you can lend, borrow, where you can provide liquidity, where you can they have product, and they also have Airdrop coming on. So you see the link to Kamino on the description. All the link will be on the description of this video. Use those links to sign up and also be able to provide this liquidity. You earn interest and also earn point for that will be converted for you during their airdrop. So now let's look. We have lend and borrow. We have liquidity. We have multiply and the rest. Just let's now look at liquidity. So what you do is you go to the liquidity section and liquidity section and so let's say we want to provide liquidity for this, okay, for Jupe and BSOL, for Jupe and BSOL. So you could actually use a single asset. Okay, you can use a single asset or a double asset. So single asset is easier. So let's say we have 100 bis okay, let's say we have 2 BSOL. Okay, you are that means you are saying you want to use two BSOL. BSOL is equivalent to Solana. Okay, it's equivalent to Solana. So that means you are using 2 Solana to provide liquidity on this platform. So now after providing liquidity on this platform, what will happen? So you'll be able to track and see the earning that you have. Okay, so let's go to I provide liquidity. I provide liquidity with okay, BSOL and so, and I also provided with when and so. Okay, so let's look at my interest. Like you can see, fee and interest. So I've earned $6 since I started providing liquidity. I've earned $6, and this is my point. So this is absolutely crazy. Okay, so I did 3 things. I learned and borrow, I provide liquidity, and okay, I did about 3 things that made me to have this. Okay, so this is simply how to provide liquidity. And once you provide liquidity, you leave your money there. Now on daily basis, you come, you check how much you have earned. On monthly basis, then whatever you have earned, you can withdraw your earning. You can withdraw your earning, and that is how to do that. Okay, so having understood that, so let's go through the next. Passive income through yield farming. Yield farming is simply staking or putting your coin in a protocol to earn daily return. It is called various names such as mining, bonding, and staking. So this to understand what staking means, staking simply is for proof of stake on blockchain. Okay, we have 2 blockchain. We have proof of stake. These are blockchain that before they can secure the network, they have to provide asset like okay an amount of that coin. In this case, if it is Ethereum, you have to provide 32 Ethereum. Okay, and the more asset you have, that is the higher chances of you being choosing to validate transaction on the platform. So that is what we call proof of stake blockchains. So Solana is one of them. Ethereum is one of them. Okay, so now for you that want to do yield farming, you could actually okay give this validator. Okay, you can actually give them Solana, give them your asset, and once they use it for validating to do their work, okay, to secure the network, to validate the network, they are earning, they share their earning with you. Okay, so and there we have other yield farming too, which is like mining, where you provide your asset and on daily basis you'll be earning maybe 2%, 1%. We have bonding, the same thing, and we have staking. So these are they actually work in the same way, but with slight differences. Okay, so how to farm yield? How do you to farm it? Be early in projects that are in a project that are about to launch. In a project that is about to launch, be early. Visit the app with your asset. If it is bonding supply or asset, check daily to see what you earn. So there are two platforms that I will use to explain this. One of them is a centralized exchange. On Binance, we have one of their product called N. So go to N, you see earning. Okay, you see look at it, ETH staking. Okay, ETH staking. So let's go to ETH staking. So it means you could come to this place and stake your Ethereum. Okay, and stake your Ethereum, and you earn on 3.4%. Okay, so if I want to stake my Ethereum now, I'll click on stake Ethereum. So I'll provide maybe I have one Ethereum, I'll provide one Ethereum, then I'll click on stake. Okay, so once I have staked the Ethereum, I'll be earning. So that means I'm giving my Ethereum to validator to use in securing the Ethereum network, and I will be earning interest. I'll be earning yield. I'll be earning yield. Okay, based on the fee paid to the validator, I'll earn a share or a percentage of that fee, and that is how to do what is called yield farming. That's how to do yield farming. Okay, so another platform you can use, let's go to Marginfi. Marginfi is a platform, it's a protocol, it's a platform on Solana ecosystem. So Marginfi, you can look at stake, you can come to this place and supply. So you can supply, so if you have two, so you can supply two, so and you mint. Okay, so kindly subscribe to this video if you find it helpful, comment, share, and like. All right, so